Right. So good morning, all of you. So I hope you practice this. So you can create different forms. Okay, different forms, different scenarios. But when we are working with the CSS, HTML, there you will find lot of assignments because there is a part of design, right? I will give you one form, design the form. I will show you lot of sample designs. You will get lot of assignments there. Lot of hard work also will be there in CSS with the combination of HTML with the combination of CSS. Every day we will provide you some assignments. You have to complete the assignment. I mean, in basics of CSS, we don't want to provide you. After some kind of alignments concepts is completed in CSS, then you will get lot of assignments, lot of layouts, lot of template examples, assignments will get it with the combination of HTML and CSS. But right now, whatever we discussed in HTML, be clear with that HTML. Especially, I don't know whether you will use all the elements in HTML or not, I don't know, but 100% you will use the form elements. So everybody should know form elements thoroughly. Why? Because it's real time is all about creating forms only. So yesterday, I think, I don't know how many of you seen that. Lastly, in the session last, I shown you some sample kind of forms I shown you, right? So can you see the forms again? 1 minute. I want to show you, but this is an idea. Just I want to give you. Everybody needs to be requested to follow the same thing. Again, I want to show you. So let us log into this application. This is one of the application we created and we are implementing. Let me log into this website. This is the website. In the left side, you have some menu items. You can see I'm clicking on the contacts. So we will see the list of contact. What it is called? Table. Table. Ante forms, tables. Must and should use thing is what? Forms. Next one is what? Tables. First of all, we have to display the data. For example, I have this record. I want to edit this record. I want to update this record. Now, if I can click the edit record button, you see, I'm going to able to edit the record. I'm able to edit the record. So if you can click cancel, disclosing. This is a form. If you want to create a new record, can you see guys here? New contact, if you can click, this is a new form. In this, what is this? A form. What I can do here, I can enter some data. See, here, form fields are coming side by side. In a row, email, name. In the second row, mobile, course. In this message and comments, here we have referrer only. Here we are having something like this only. What it is exactly? The form creation. At the bottom, you have create, or we are writing submit button or sign up button, register button. But here we have to create this contact. So I mentioned the label called create label. So this type of form, cancel this. Now, even if we can go for this courses page, you see, this is a one big form, guys, which I am implementing here. If you can see how big the form is going to be, see how many form fields are there here around 30, not 30, 20 form fields are there around in this. You see, what are able to see the form fields now? So course type and course type is a drop down, right? Drop down and categories. And when I'm see, this is a data list only. Now I'm rating this is going to be web means you will get some suggestions. No match is found. So now you see FRONT front end. I'm searching front end development suggestion is coming. So now if you can type something called UI, see again it is coming as UI development section is coming automatically, or else I'm writing DEVE development. You see UI development, front end development. How they are all coming? Otherwise, let us search for the keyword end. So if I search for the keyword end, back end, front end. See, based on these sessions are coming automatically. How these sessions are coming automatically when I'm searching? This is done by using JavaScript, not by using HTML, right? When I am typing, suggestions are coming automatically. This is done by using JavaScript, not on the HTML. What HTML? It will just create the form. To the form, how can I provide interactivity? JavaScript. Interactivity. When I'm interacting with this field, I want to hide that, I want to show that. How do I do? That's what the concept guys here, right? For example, you see course type. I'm going for a sample page. If I can go for the sample page, you see, is there any fields are hiding here? I think this logic is not implemented here. No problem, right? Okay, no worries about it. Earlier, we implement logic. If I can select a course page, I want to display all the fields. If it is a sample page, I don't want all these pages. I want hide everything. This is what we implemented. Don't worry. Categories, if you can see, yeah, this is a categories page. New category, if you want to add, can you see? New category form will be like this. Title is slug. What is this slug? You see, I'm writing hello JavaScript training. Something I'm writing in the. So can you see the slug is generated automatically? I didn't type it. Can you see? So when you are entering something, I am writing this is going to be welcome again. Now you see the slug is generated automatically. Am I generating? How this is generating automatically based on the value JavaScript again. Remember carefully, just title is input where we can input some data. Whatever the data you inputted, that is changing automatically as a slugger. Who is doing this job? JavaScript or jQuery or React or Angular. Front-end development technologies will do this job. Exactly. Okay. Done. So this type of forms you are requested to create, but don't worry, after some time, when you are discussing CSS, you will become perfect in forms creation and forms design. I will show, I will make you like this because we want to provide you a lot of assignments there. Right now, HTML is easy. Okay, I'm fine. But we want to design the forms as per the customer requirement. I will give you different sample layouts. I don't want to tell you anything. I will give you the layout. As per the layout, you have to create the form. You have to create the form as well as you have to design the form. That's what you have to do it. Okay. Right. Let's continue. Today, we will discuss about the new concept called HTML special characters. HTML special characters. What are HTML special characters? And after this is completed, we will discuss about HTML entities also. ENTITIS entities. What are HTML entities? What are HTML special characters? Anybody know? Very good. Less than, greater than, and then what are those? So what is the special character? Less than. So this is going to be written ampersand LT semicolon. This is a special character. Okay. Generally, we will write less than, but the less than we can write like this also. If it is a greater than, obviously ampersand GT semicolon. Sometimes in some website, you will see a copyright symbol, trademark symbol, registered symbol for all these ampersand COPY semicolon, copyright symbol, ampersand register symbol, ampersand TRADE trade symbol. Then we will check this in a HTML file so that you will understand. 1 minute, please. Let's create one small HTML file. Let's save the file. HTML entities. All right, HTML special characters, HTML characters. .html is a file. Let us remove all this stuff from here. I'm removing everything. Right, simply you can write HTML entities, HTML, SPCIL special characters. Of course, we will call HTML entities also. Anyone is okay. HTML special characters, something like this we will say. So, for example, I want to pay some price, 500 rupees. 500, I'm writing $500. I want to pay. But if you can run this file, what is the output you are going to get it? 500 only. But I want to display dollar symbol in front of it. How can I display dollar symbol in front of it? Ampersand $DOLLAR dollar semicolon. Now, if you can write it now, you will get the dollar symbol in front of it. Of course, we have dollar symbol in the system. You can use that symbol also, right? Not only special character. You see, we have dollar symbol directly. We can write like this. Oh, this is also valid. That is also valid. Anyone is going to be valid. So otherwise, you can use special character like this also. 500. Oh, sorry, man. So 500. So ampersand $DOLLAR dollar. Oh, dollar semicolon. If you can write. So this is going to be $500. 500 euros. Obviously, you have an ampersand EURO euro. Now you will get the euro symbol. So you want to get Chinese currency, Japan currency, N's, I believe. YEN, I believe. So now you will get the N symbol like this. It may be Japan or China, I don't know exactly. There's a currency. How do we get the rupee symbol? How do I get the rupee symbol? 500 rupees I want, right? But you want to write RUB rupee? If I can write rupee, can I get rupee symbol? You will never get rupee symbol. Why are you not getting rupee symbol? The rupee symbol 10 years back or 14 years back, rupee symbol was introduced. But these symbols introduced many years back. So they are at the time of HTML, those symbols are there, currency symbols are there. So, but we don't have entity name, we have an entity number. Generally, HTML entities are available like this only. Ampersand. This is going to be entity name semicolon ampersand hash entity number. It will be like this. Two ways we have only. This is going to be entity number. We can define the entities in two ways. These are all the special characters we can say, whatever it may be. Entities will be always like this. So this is also come like this. Entities are special characters, both are same. Don't get confused, okay? So right now, if you can see some examples, ampersand, COPY, copy semicolon, ampersand, DOLLAR, dollar semicolon, we will write like this. If it is an entity number, how do we write ampersand hash followed by some number ending? Some number, whatever it is, maybe some number. So, but I want to get the rupee symbol. How do I get the rupee symbol code here? Right, ampersand hash, I think 8377. Huh? I think, let me check this. The rupee symbol code is what? 8377. Yeah, we are getting the rupee symbol code like this. We don't have entity name. We have an entity number. Something, see, lot of symbols are there in the universe, right? For every symbol, there is an entity number, there is an entity code. How do I identify? How can I remember? Right? Anybody will tell us to remember? Right? You see, for example, I'm writing this is H1 tag open close. I'm writing this is going to be HTML. HTML is a trade symbol. I want to take it right. TRADE trade. This is going to be trade symbol. Now, if you can go here now, if you can refresh, we are getting the trademark symbol like this. So in some websites, if you can see at the bottom of every website, you will see copyright. So what is the copyright here? If you can see para tag open close, they will write like this. So 2024, they will take like this 2024 ampersand COPY semicolon. They will write all right reserved, something like this. They will write it and RESRVD reserved. Right. This is the what exactly. If you can refresh it, now you see copyright symbol is coming here. So won't able to see. Let us make this bigger one. H1 tag open, H1 tag close. If you can refresh, now you will get the symbol. Copyright symbol is this is the copyright symbol. Right, copyright symbols and trade symbol, register symbol. Okay, for example, you have a product. That product is registered. For example, I have Codify next. This is one of the registered symbol. Then what I want to do? REG semicolon. That means what? You will see the Codify next registered symbol will be like this. You see, generally, when you're buying a product or something, they have their labels. At the end of the label, you can observe TMO, R symbols, you will see generally. At the bottom of the page, you will see copyright symbol, all rights reserved by this company, right? Anybody copied my content, prosecuted, something like this, they will mention this, right? This type of symbols we can. Like this, how many symbols are there, thousands of symbols and mathematics. I know everybody mathematics, right? Do you know what is the therefore symbol? Therefore, ends proved. Do you know, right? Some symbols are there. Ends proved, therefore, for all. For all. Do you know for all? What is for all symbol? Don't you know in mathematics? How do you get the for all symbol here? All the mathematics, all emojis, especially say smiley emojis, we have a lot of things and a lot of special characters. Let's Google for them. It's not easy to remember. Whatever the character you need, Google for it and add the code for it. It's not easy to remember all the codes. Thousands of characters are there. Thousands of special characters are there. It's not easy to remember. Let's go for Google and let us find something, guys. Okay. Now, HTML entities reference, you go for it. See, lot of math symbol. You see, HTML symbol entity reference or HTML character entities reference, whatever it may be, Andy. Both are going to be same. No worries about it. Now, if you can click any one, can you see what are all these? Can you see the symbols? What are these symbol? Math symbol. What is for all? I am asking you this symbol called for all. Remember, for some symbols, you have, remember all of you, for some symbols, we have entity name, we have entity number. You see, for all, entity name is there, as well as entity number is also there. Like this, we have a lot of mathematics symbols, and it is not easy to remember. Just you should know there is an entity, entity name, entity number, and entity name start with ampersand, name, semicolon, number, ampersand hash, number, semicolon. Remember this rule. So don't forget this, what I'm telling you. So entity name will be like this. And entity number will be hash is extra added here, right? So semicolon ends with semicolon. So then only you will get something like this. Okay. So remember, what are the symbols you need? You see, sum symbol, sum of two numbers, something like this. So if you can click the full math reference, maybe you will find it. Andy, can you see? I'm just going to check the full math reference. Can you see all the mathematics symbols, guys? Can you see? These are all the symbols, maybe in mathematics exist. They doesn't exist. Maybe especially in +1, +2, integral, right? Geometry. I don't know. I am poor in mathematics. Okay, maybe right? So check it carefully. So, and increment, decrement, nobla. But I know these all the symbols, right? You see how many symbols are plus or minus, low asterisk. See the symbols: cube root, fourth root, infinity, and proportional to, right angle, angle. Oh, lot of all mathematics symbols are available. Integrals. Oh my God. So integral, double integral, triple integral. This is what? Contour integral. So what is this? Surface integral. My God, lot of integrals. I don't know all these integrals in mathematics. Anyhow, I failed in mathematics in my +1, +2. Okay. So I'm not good in mathematics. Sorry for that. Okay. You check this carefully. So therefore, you see, this is a symbol called therefore, and this is because, and ratio, this symbol, proportion, dot minus, excess, lot of all mathematics symbols available. And I don't know whether we use all these or not, I don't know, but we have all the mathematics symbols are available. You check the mathematics symbols, what exactly the symbols available here. So there are a lot of mathematical symbols are there. So like this, if you can go for, you see, inside, right side, if you can come here, there are a lot of references are there. Latin basics, some characters, modifier letters, diacritical marks, Greeks and Coptic, Cyrillic, lot of. But if you don't know, click on it. See the symbols. Just watch the symbols. What are the symbols available here? And see what are the symbols. Oh, these symbols are called some other language symbol maybe. Okay, maybe punctuation symbols. What are the punctuation symbols are there? Do you know punctuation symbols? So it is not loading. Oh, we are all seeing this. These are called punctuation symbols. Single quotes, double quotes, right? Can you see? These are the symbols. Currency symbols. Yes, we see that all the currency symbols now. If you can go there, these are the currency symbols. Rupee sign. Oh, we have like this also. But remember carefully, we have entity number. We have entity name also. This is entity name 20A8. Oh, if we can go. Oh, this is no, there is no entity name, Exa. But this may not work for you. You can always copy this. Right. Entity name is not there for rupee only. Okay. Maybe some symbols are having rupee. Euro have entity name. So this is the thing. If you can go down little, you will find all the right currency symbol 8377. 8377 for Indian rupee sign. So remember at least some symbols we have to remember. Dollar, euro, copyright, trademark, some symbols. No need to remember all the symbols. No one can remember these symbols and doesn't require to remember also. See what I'm telling you, remember that only in this, especially in this context. We have thousands of symbols. It's not easy to remember thousands of symbols. Don't try to remember everything in HTML because HTML is easy. That's why you are trying to remember everything in HTML. No, I don't want to recommend you to remember everything in HTML. Try to do this, remember, in JavaScript learning. So maybe HTML is very easy. That's why people are putting a lot of concentration, lot of effort to learning HTML. They are trying to remember each and everything. No way. I don't like to remember HTML. So remember JavaScript thoroughly. Why? Because the king of front-end development, especially if you are a main-stack developer, the king of main-stack developer is your JavaScript only. So if you are, see, at the end of the day, in the entire main-stack development, I have one thing. How good we are in JavaScript, that's all. How good we are in HTML, CSS? No one will ask you. How good we are in JavaScript at the end of the day? It's not easy. It's easy. It's not easy. It's easy also. To whom it will become easy? If you can practice daily, it will be easy. Otherwise, I think it will be difficult only. But before paying the fee, please question yourself. So am I able? Everybody can able, but you have to put some effort and time to practice it. That's the only thing. I will give you a lot of confidence in HTML and CSS. How can I create my own website? Without taking anybody's help, I want to create my own website. We will give you a lot of assignments. You have to complete the assignments every day. After session completed, I can wait for you to clarify your doubts and to clarify the things clearly. So this is what every day we will do. Okay, right before the session, after the session also. But why? Because at least you have to be very good in creating layouts. Maybe some people does not good in development, but they are very good in designing. At least if you are good in designing, it will be also helpful to you to get job as a front-end designer at least. So be good in this. I will make you to help how to create the layout. Many of the people doesn't know how to create the layout. I will tell you the process, how to create the layout, how to take the structure. That is very important. Creating structure, that is very, very important. We will see you that. Don't worry. Right. Okay, letter-like symbols. Letter-like symbols. What are the letter-like symbols? Like this, we have a lot of symbols are there. You're requested, please go through these symbols. Okay. You see, different symbols are there, guys, here. Letter-like symbols. Okay. Can you see all the symbols, sigma, E, like this? So number forms. What is the number forms? I don't know. Let me see this number form. So 1 by 10, 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Mathematics, all about, right? Roman letters. So these are all the Roman letters, something like this. Arrows, arrow symbols, left arrow, right arrow, down arrow, double arrow, up arrow, right? So these are all some arrow symbol. Arrow left to arrow right. You see, these are the arrow symbols. Right? Can you see the forms? Left arrow, right arrow. You see different generally, while we are traveling on the road, we will see different symbols, arrow signs, left, right, zigzag road, jet, something, right? So if you want to see this type of symbols, we will see somewhere, right? We will see this symbol definitely. Not like this exactly. Some curving will be there, right? Okay, left, right. So you see different symbols are there, guys. These are all the arrow symbols. Double arrows, two-dimensional, left, right, double arrow. So we have horizontal ARR, entity name also there. Sometimes I want to display the points and the point one like this. Can you see here? I want to display the point one. So let us take a para tag open close. This is going to be, let us write point one, point 2, 3, 4 like this. So if you want to display with an arrow symbol like this, maybe you will get the points like this, point 1, point 2. Can you see? There is an arrow symbol in front of it. Point 1, point 2, point like this. Not only this symbol, you want to display any other symbol also, we can display any other symbol here. See, by default, if you can add ULLI, what happened with ULLI? You will get the dot symbol. No, I don't want dot. I don't want circle. I don't want square. I want to get a different symbol. So then in this context, we can go like this also. So we don't want that symbol. I want to get a different symbol. How do I get a different symbol? Tell the meaning of it exactly. Okay. Right. Check it carefully. This type of symbols also we can get. Let's go for another way. Here, come down. You have to spend some time to check all these things. In WhatsApp, you are sending messages, sad, smiley, some kind of greeting messages, flowers, birthday means cake, coffee, tea, whatever it is going to be, breakfast, different symbols you will sending, right? All the symbols available here also. WhatsApp people also getting the symbols from these entity codes only. They won't have any other. So some people prepare their own symbols, right? Now you can go here now. Enclosed alpha, box drawings. What is this box drawings? But observation is very, very important, guys. You have to observe each and everything. Block elements. What are the block elements? Oh, these are the block elements. Fine. See the block elements are there. How the block elements are there. Geometrical shapes. What are the geometrical shapes? Yeah, these are the geometrical shapes. For example, if you want to get this symbol, how can I get this? Ampersand hash 9654. So in place of it, you want to get it 9654, but you should take hash symbol here. Now, if you can go there, maybe if you can execute the first arrow, you see, first arrow replaced with that triangle symbol. The symbol, however you want, you can take it. See, ultimately copy the code. If it is a number, hash, prefix, ampersand hash, and with semicolon number. If it is a name, that's fine, no problem. So now like this, we have a lot of symbol. Yeah. So Braille symbols, dingabats. What is a dingbats? I don't know. So what are these symbols? Oh, these are called dingbats. Okay. These are the symbols. Pencil icons, tick marks. Sometimes I want to display this pointer. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, something, somewhere we will display now. So I think you see, I'm taking this right now. You can see this. Maybe you will get the tick mark. You will get the tick mark. Yeah, you're getting the tick mark now. But sir, I want this tick mark in green color. How can I provide a green color for the tick mark? Yes. If you can provide CSS green color applied for this also. No. I want to apply green color only for the tick mark only. Then what we can do, we have a simple technique, guys, here. Nothing. If you want to apply, take this into one tag called span tag. And to the span, we can apply the span. And to the span, you can write inline style, some color colon green. You can write like this also. Remember carefully. Color colon green. See, ultimately, you think, I need this way, I need that way. To do this, what I have to do. You think always like this. I need this character. I need that character. Where is that character? What is the code for it? We have to have some patience. We have to search for the character and we have to apply the styles to it, guys. Okay, right. Let's go there and let me refresh. Do you have the color green? Yeah, color. Oh, color green applied for this also. Why? No, I don't want to apply color for that. What is the reason? You open the span tag. You did not close the span tag. What I told you, tag should open, tag should close thoroughly. Now, if you can go and check this now, you see green is applied for this only. Of course, you want to take red color, right? You can take red color also. Why not? It is going to be in red color. Okay, the point is in red color. So all the ways are there. And only thing, your expectation. I need this. I need that. What is the code for it? Where to find it? How to find it? It's all about patience. We have to sit and we have to find for the character. Sometimes customers will say, if you can keep this arrow point, for example, you kept this arrow. Maybe by seeing this, customer will ask you, I need a tick symbol. I don't want this arrow symbol. Then immediately we have to find the tick symbol. Else in HTML, you can search what is the HTML entity code for tick symbol. You will find the code directly. If you don't know where exactly this is, right? At least you should know how to search in the Google, how to find the answer for it based on the customer requirement. Why? Because it's not easy to remember all these entity codes. 100% not possible. 100% is not possible. So that you have to remember the thing, guys. Okay. Now, if you can go down, dingbats. Okay, fine. I got these dingbats and some other symbols also there. So fan symbol. Okay, sparkles, star symbol, circle star. Okay, different symbols are there. Fine. This is a cross mark, question mark. Right. Oh, left arrow. You see the numbering also? Numbering also will be like this. We don't want to write it. Now, if you want such a kind of way, we have all the possibilities. Can you see these arrows? You see how these arrows are going to be differently behaved. We don't want to take any image. Generally, most of the context of people will take these as images. If you want to get this under, they will take it. They will ask the designer, graphics designer, they will create an image like this. Why should I create an image like this? If you can create an HTML that is very, very faster than image. If you are loading, if you are taking all images in the website, it will take a lot of time to load. Local machine, they will load very faster. But when the application is in live server, if everything is about image, it will take some slow. It will take some time to load all the images. So then in place of images, we will better to make this is going to be some code. I will show you best proof also here. If I can go to this website, the first home page taking a lot of time to load actually. Taking a lot of time to load. So why? Because I kept everything is image. After that, all these are icons actually. These are icons. Earlier, they are all images. I removed all the images. In place of images, I kept the icons. This is a offline headset, expert trainers. Not only this, if you can go down little, this is also an icon. And these are also icons. I kept all these icons here. So now this is loading very, very fast. Because images, application will always be slow. But if you want to make this going to be load very, very faster, definitely you have to icons. Icons will be always very, very faster in loading. Right? So because they're entities, they're the part of HTML and the browser will understand. But image means loading from some external source. These are all loaded from the browser itself, so that we don't have any problem, right? They will work out automatically.
Sir,
Yeah,
excuse me.
yes, please.
Can you please import the bootstrap, sir? It can easy, no, to uh, implement the icons in HTML
Yeah,
code.
yeah. I will tell you that too also. Okay, after this is completed, I will tell you how to work with the bootstrap icons, how to work with font over some icons also, I will tell you. Okay, so please give me some.
Okay.
I will tell you that too also. Right, don't worry about it. Okay. Now, see, this is all emojis. See, smileys, hands, people, office, places, transport, animals. A lot of emojis are there, plants, sports. See, all the categories are there. Now, if you can click this anyone, smileys, generally we will use this regularly in our chart window, right? These are the some smileys. Generally, when you are typing some chart to with friends, they will do like this and the colon, they will hit like this. If you hit enter, it automatically shows a smiley symbol in the chart window. How this is showing automatically, and they will write the logic for it. But if you enter this code, they will add the smiley symbol there. This is all a program behind the scenes. This is all behind the scenes, a program behind the scenes. You see, a lot of symbols are there. You can get those symbols here like this. Many symbols. Only thing, patience. Please try to observe all the symbols. What are you having there? Okay, right. Different symbols are there with their meaning also. Smileys, supplements. What is supplements? Okay, maybe okay. Cat faces, fine. Face negative. Okay, negative faces. Emoji hands. Emoji hands. Okay, this is a hand symbol. Okay, okay. These are the symbols. Right. Sometimes I want to use this symbol for displaying the points, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Na? So here what I want to use, in place of this symbol, I want to use this number. Obviously, this is going to become like a 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, like this. Let us go on top of it. I'm adding this 0.3. Just above the 0.3, you observe, the points will be like this. Can you see how this is going to become 0.1? Like this. Sometimes you have to arrow 1, arrow 2, like this also. We can point it. See, it's all about our idea. Generally, a customer will never tell us, "Naak idi kavali, I need that, I need that." Customer will never tell you. So you are a designer. You have to create the design. After creating the design, we are showing the demo to customer. Sometimes customers will satisfy with your design. He will say, "Excellent. We are very happy." Sometimes customer will give you some feedback. So if this is not the icon I'm expecting, can you change can you change this to some other icon? Yes, we can change it. After that, we will show them and he is very happy. Sometimes the same customer will see your output. He will say, "I never ever seen this type of bad design." Then what do? Customers, this is the customer's mentality. Sometimes he will say, "First time by seeing this, excellent, very good. We are very happy." Sometimes he will give some feedback. So I'm not expecting this. Everything is okay. Expect this. You change this something. Sometimes he will say, "I never ever seen this type of worst design." See, you have to accept the good. You have to accept the bad. You have to accept the suggestion also, because you are the developer and designer. So when they are praising, don't be proud. When they are scolding, don't be sad. When they are giving some suggestion, please accept the suggestion. This is what, as a designer, we have to be. Really, because initial my career, I worked as a designer. That's why I know all these problems. If you really, we feel and designing is a donkey work. Donkey work. Do you know donkey work? Telugulo ఏమంట what we will call Telugu? Garda chakri something. Maybe in Hindi, you people know donkey work, right? Everybody will say. But we will work hard, but we are not getting the good results. Something maybe people will say like this in the situation, right? Why? Because we are working hard, we are designing hard, but at the end of the day, customer is saying that this is not good. You are saying, "Sir, the whole night I worked, sir. I sit and I worked on this design, sir." In simple one word, you are saying this is not good. See, ultimately in designing, remember, learning designing is very easy. Learning designing is very easy, but satisfying the customer with the design you did is difficult. And everybody can design, but whatever you design, some customers may like, some customers may not like. Remember this word, always keep it in mind. If you are a designer, be careful. You have to accept the good, you have to accept the bad also, you have to accept the suggestions also if you're a designer. So don't be scolded. I didn't work. I did a lot of hard work. He's simply saying that this is not good, this is not bad. And no, you are the designer, you are the person, you are working for a salary, you have to work for the company. Whatever the suggestions they said, you have to follow that. The customer may say, the client may say, this is good, okay, this is not good, okay, double okay, we will do it. We will do it better. You have to take this approach. Some people will degrade automatically because of their negative feedback. No, you cannot. You are a designer, right? See, we are doing one design. We are 10 people. Somebody did a design. Some people may like the design. Some people may not like the design. See, some people liking the design. Some people may not like the same design. Same design. Why you are liking? Why they are not liking? And that is a way the people will. That is a way of looking by the people, right? Yes, exactly. Don't worry about it. Okay, right. See, it's all about the feedback. What are the feedback they're giving? If this icon is not good, he will say some other. He's expecting some other. Yes, we will add some other icon here. Yes, we will do this way, guys. Okay, right, fine. So now, so this is the icons. Lot of icons are there. Please try to spend some time to see the icons. Don't by heart any icon code. Don't by heart any icon code. It's not required to by heart this, guys. Okay. So if you need any other, for example, they are saying that food icons, animals. You see, animals category there. Come to the animals category. Find the icon for the animals category. And you see the cat is there. Copy the cat symbol and paste there. You will get the cat symbol. Okay, now if you can come here, emoji food, emoji plants, like this we have earth, sky, weather, clothing. So right now is the weather symbols we will see. Recently heavy rains, na? So these are some weather symbols we can see. See clouds with rain, right? You see the name, white sun, behind the cloud, something, cloud with rain. Clouds are going to be like this, guys. Check it carefully, clouds with rain, right? Clouds with the tornado, the name. Right, lot of symbols are there. Only thing is the patience. Okay, so these are all
Sir, can we
characters.
customize the height and width of icon, sir?
Yes, we can set the height width of the icon also. Yes, we can set height width of the icon also. We can set it. Whatever the icon, by default icon sizes. This is now by using CSS. We can set height width for this icon by using CSS, not by using HTML. By using CSS, we will write a class for this icon. We will set height width for this icon. Yes, we can do that too also. Right. These are the icons available in HTML. But before these are some icons now. Besides this, there are some third-party icon libraries are there. What is this? Is only third-party icon libraries. These are not part of HTML, but third-party icon libraries are there. So what are the third-party icon libraries are? Anybody? Very good.
Bootstrap.
Icons are there. Bootstrap icons are Bootstrap icons.
AWS awesome. CDN.
Font
Font awesome.
These are the font awesome icon library. Any other?
CDN, sir. CDN.
Very good. Material UI also providing icons. Please go and check this. The mostly
Google
used
fonts.
font awesome icons.
Google fonts also.
Google fonts is different. Google fonts are different. I will tell you in CSS about Google fonts, how to integrate Google fonts into our website. We will discuss that in CSS, not in this HTML. But icon libraries. Otherwise, you can just go for Google icon libraries. Just if you can go for icon libraries, you can go for icon LIBRARIS icon libraries. Right. Maybe you see some icon library, font awesome, material icons also there. Very good. Material icons also there. And there are a lot of icon library, open source icon libraries are there. You see 50 plus icon libraries are there. Bootstrap icons, right? And free pick icons. You see a lot of icons are there. A lot of icon libraries are there, right? So font awesome icon library. But you see, I want to go for font awesome icon library. Can you see the font awesome? This is a website. This is one of the most used icon library. On the menu, you have something called icons now. Click on the icons in the menu. Now you see how many icons are there? 33,612 icons are available in this. But all these 33,000 icons are not free. Font awesome is a paid library. Only 2000 icons are free inside of it. Around 2000 icons are free. You can use them without any license. All the third-party icons are paid. They are not free. HTML entities are completely free. They are completely free. But what is the advantage here? And let me show you one small situation to you. You will understand. In HTML entities, they given some color to the icons. For example, you have a hand pick icon. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let us go there. Hand pick icon is there. Can you see the hand pick icon? What is the color of the hand pick icon? Yellow color, na? Sir, customer is asking this to blue color. Background color is blue. Can I change this? No, we cannot change it. In HTML entity, it is not possible to change. Can I try? Okay, otherwise let me do one thing. Is it possible? Let me see. Let us take this into span tag, open span tag, close. Let us try to apply blue color. Span open, span close. Let us take some style, and the color of the icon is going to be, I'm taking red. Okay, whatever it may be, red or something. I'm refreshing. Is the color icon changed as red? No, it is not changed as red because this icon color is fixed. So we cannot change. Sometimes, as per the customer requirement, as per the customer template design, customer template theory, theme color is what? Red color. Customer theme color is what? Green color. As per the theme color, I want to set this also green color as per the theme, but it is not possible to set. Then how do I do it? 100% in this context, you have to go with font over some icons or some third-party icon library. If it is a font over some library, whatever the icon library it may be, we can set any color. We can set any color to the icon, right? So how can I get these icons, guys? You see, lot of icon categories are there, guys. Can you see? So coding related icons, medical and health, gaming, design, alphabet, social, alert, food and beverage, weather icons, film and video, business. This film and video we don't have in HTML video. So then how do I get? Some icons are not there in HTML. Some icons are available here. I think in the real time, most of the people will go for this icon libraries only. Icon libraries only. Why? Because these icon libraries are flexible. We can change anything. We can increase the size, decrease the size. We can add the color. We can add the background color. Whatever we want, we can do for these icons. Real time, mostly they will go like this. For example, if you can click this film and video, and we will see all the icons related to film and video only. See the icons. How many icons are there under this category? 861 icons are there, but we don't have these many icons in HTML only. For example, if I have these headphones, in HTML, you will have only headphones only. One icon. But you see, for the same headphones, how many variations they are giving? And but see, on the top of it, we are able to see Pro. Pro means what? It's a licensed version. If you have a license, the icon will work. Otherwise, this icon will never work. Almost all universe icons are available here, Andy. Right? So YouTube is free. If you want to get YouTube icon and click on the YouTube icon, if you can click, we will give the code. 1 minute, please. You're getting the code now. What is the code? Click on this code. Copied it, and now you can go to the browser. Now you can keep the YouTube icon here. Anywhere you can keep it here. Now I'm writing the YouTube icon. Okay. Now if you can run this file, can I get the YouTube icon? Go to the browser. Now I'm going to the browser. If you can refresh, are you getting YouTube icon? No, you are not getting YouTube icon. Why are you not getting YouTube icon? Font Awesome is not HTML. Font Awesome is a third-party icon library. So if you want to work with Font Awesome, we have to download the Font Awesome library, or we have to link the Font Awesome CDN into our head section. Let me show you. We added the icon code, but icon is not displaying. Why it is not displaying? It's very important thing. Where is my Font Awesome? I think it is open in different browser, right? Yeah. Here you go there. So if you want to work with this icon, maybe if you can go to the start, go to the bottom of this. Somewhere they will mention this CDN links only. Where is the CDN link? Plans, support, docs. Somewhere they will mention. Let us see this carefully. Where they mention here. So otherwise you will go for Google also. No worries about it. View space. Okay, I'm not able to see here. On websites. Click on this on websites. On websites. Do you have any library? Okay, don't worry. You can Google like this. Font Awesome CDN link. CDN link. Okay, how to say this correctly? You have to search for this. Right. This is a font of CDN.js. Suppose you can go here, no problem. Or else getting started official website Font Awesome. Let's click on this website. Now, if you can go here, get started. Maybe somewhere you will find this. Can you see guys here? So this way they will give the path actually font awesome min.css. Maybe I want CDN link. Are you getting anywhere the CDN link? Here I don't have any CDN link, but he is saying that send your email ID, and if you can submit, they will send the embed code to your email. This is what they are saying that. Otherwise, without that also we can do. Click on the first thing. The first thing. Yeah, you are getting a lot of CDN links. Can you see? This is the CDN link. What is the CDN link? This is a link. Copy this link. Otherwise, you can click this link. Copy the link tag. That's all. After copying, come to your head section, and you have to keep this into the head section. What is this? Can you check this? This is a link tag. You don't worry about this path and everything. Link is used for linking the external style sheet into our current document. Actually, we didn't discuss the style sheets, but it's a time. It is demanding us how to link the awesome icons into our website. So if you can link this, then only these icons will be work. You see, what is the tag called? I tag. Class is equal to FA brands, FA YouTube. This is also predefined inside this following CSS file. We have linked this file now. What is the file name? Allmin.css is a file now. Inside allmin.css file, there is a class defined for it. There is a class defined for it. Now, if you can refresh this page, now can you see? Are you getting YouTube? No, I'm not still getting YouTube. File is saved. Can you go and check this now? File is not saved. Save the file. Now come back again. Now refresh this browser. Let us see, are you getting YouTube? Oh, you're getting YouTube. You can change the color by default black color. No, I don't want black color. I want some other color. Yes, it is possible, guys. You see, I'm writing the style is equal to by default black color, but I'm changing the color to YouTube red, right? I want red color. Now, if you can refresh it, color red will be there. So this is possible. But in HTML entities, some icons are coming by default with color. Those color we cannot change it. It is not possible. If they give an yellow color, you have to take yellow color only. If they give in green color, they have to take the green color throughout the website. But sometimes icon colors are not matched with my theme color. Then obviously customers will say, I don't want this color for this icon. I need that color for that icon. Then how do I go for, sir? You cannot say to the customer, sir, this is fixed color, sir. We cannot change it. If you can say, customer will say, no, I need that color. See, what is my theme color? What is the color you are giving? They won't accept. Obviously, it's a good idea to go with font awesome icons. That's why most of the web using font awesome icon. This is one of the biggest icon library in the world for creating the web applications. Biggest 30,000 icons are there. No other library is providing these many icons actually. Okay, right, fine. So like this, we can find a lot of icons from the font awesome. So what are the icons you need? You can go for the icon and you can find for the icons. Okay, otherwise, font awesome, you can search for free icons. It's better, right? Font awesome, free icons. So you see how many free icons are there? Can you go and check this now? There are free icons. 2050 free icons are there. Remaining icons are paid icons. You see, you can search for phone symbol, Facebook symbol, download symbol, you see Twitter symbol, right? You see a lot of symbols are there. Which symbol you want? For example, you see, generally in our H1, open H1 close. You will see something called settings, SETTINGS, settings. So if you can refresh the browser, settings. What is the setting symbol general? Gear, very good. Gear symbol, very good. We will call gear symbol. How do I get the gear symbol? And you see, I tag open, I tag close. Here we can provide a class of the bootstrap. Class is equal to FA cog, COG cog. Generally, we will call the word called cog. Now, if you can go and check this now, are you getting the cog symbol? If you can get COGS, cogs, then what are you going to get? Multiple gear symbols. Now, what is the multiple gear symbols? You will get the multiple cog symbols like this. Right? So, this is the symbol. Sometimes you see, I won't write here users. I'm taking this is going to be users. And FA user. If you can get user, only one user icon will be there. One user.
Sir, FA stands for, sir?
Font awesome. This is not defined by you. This is not defined by me. This is defined by the font awesome icon library, because in this allmin.css font awesome library, all these classes are defined. FA means font awesome. How do I know these classes? Until you have to Google for it. Otherwise, if you don't know, you can go for this icon library. For example, you need this bell icon. Click on the bell icon. You see what is the class we are getting? FA regular, FA bell. Copy this class. That's all. We are not the person to define the class here in the font awesome. All font awesome
Okay.
predefined. They defined with some classes. You need this icon. Huh? You have to find for the class. You have to find what is the class for it. So that is the time, patience. So you need bell icon, right? You see, I'm copying this. After this, I'm coming to this. Now I'm writing this is going to be notifications. Now you see notifications. I'm taking like this notification. What is the class for it? Right. You can take that. Already I copied, I believe. FA regular, FA bell. Now you can go and refresh it now carefully. Are you getting notifications? We're getting notifications. Settings. Users, not one user actually. FA users, if you can write now, you will get multiple users. Can you see? There are multiple users will be there. User means one user. Users means multiple, no? Singular and plural. So like this, we have a lot of symbols. But how do I know all these symbols? Ante, you have to go here. You have to go to font awesome. Click on the icon. For example, mug hot mug. I want good morning with the coffee symbol. If I click this, what is the code for it? FA solid, FA mug hot. If you can copy this, now you will get the coffee symbol here. Now you can go and keep this coffee symbol here. Now I'm removing this and I'm going to keep the copy symbol here. Now on top of it, now can you see, you will see the copy symbol here. Now like this. So these are all third party. What are all these guys here? Built in HTML. Built in HTML. But the color, we cannot change it. It's not possible. It is a fixed color. But if it is a font awesome, we can change anything and we have a lot of variations in the icons. 2000 icons are free. So if you want to get more icons, we have to buy the library. Who will buy? You? No, company will buy the things. If they said strictly we want to use font awesome, they have to buy and they have to give the license link to us. That license link we will add here. This is the license link. This they will use some link like this. This link we will add here. Integrity, some link is there, na? That we will add here. So that based on this ID, they will understand this is a paid link, this is a free link. Okay, based on this ID only, they will get the things. This will work only for your website only. And even though others can copy this, it cannot work. Why? Because your website is registered with this ID. This ID will work for only your website only. If you can pay it, if you are free, this is common for everyone. So some icons are free, some icons are not free. So that's why. So only thing is what is all about font awesome, right? If you want, so first thing, if you want to work with font awesome, we have to link the CDN. How do I get the CDN? Just Google for it, font awesome CDN link. I don't know, right, where it is available. Then what I did, guys, here, I went there, I searched for font awesome CDN link. This is I Googled like this, font awesome CDN link, and click on the font awesome library CDN.js. And the first link I copied here, and click on this link tag, copy the link tag, I copied, I just pasted into my HTML document. If you want to get these icons, yes, you have to do this way, guys. This is a way of adding icons to our website. So icons, really, every website and will use the concept of icons. Why not? Let me show you this website. If you go to the admin panel, can you see right side, left side? Every label, dashboard, blogs, contact, FAQs, interview question settings, everything is denoted with an icon. Huh? Can you see? Reviews, highlights, schedules, landings, and courses, categories, settings. Can you see the settings icon? This settings icon is different. See, this is some different icon library. So what is this icon library I'm using? 1 minute, please. Let me show you. Right click on it. If you want to know, is this font awesome icon library? Definitely not. How do I know? Right click on this icon, and if you can inspect, you will find the icon class. What is the icon class we are having? Can you see here? Are you able to see anywhere? Icon. Some icon classes are there. Sidebar item icon. Oh, we don't have icon class. 1 minute, please. Some icon classes are there. FI sidebar item. FI means what? I used it, but I didn't remember that icon library. Actually, I used this. Actually, I am the developer for this. What is the icon I used? I forget very shortly. I forget. Right, I will tell you. These icons, how easily I am forgetting. I don't know. But this is a different icon library because this Laravel support different icon library, not font awesome actually. You see, FI is there. FI sidebar item icon something. But what is the name of the class? Stroke and everything is there, but there is no. But I will tell you what is this icon library. Okay, don't worry about it. No. This is not W3 icon. Otherwise, give me 1 second. I will tell you what is the icon library I use. I forget the name. This is not such a popular library actually. If it's a popular library, I can remember it easily. Give me 1 second. Where is this? Is Vue JavaScript backup live 6? Maybe this is. Maybe if I can go here, give me 1 second. I will show you very quickly. Not resources. Go to app. Go to filament. Go to one filament class. These icon libraries are what you know. Hero icon. Sorry, these are the icons. What is the icon library name? Hero icon is the I forget. Sorry. These are the icon library. Hero icon library. So are hero icons? Hero icons. Now you will go for hero icons website. How can we add the hero icon? Bootstrap icons are different. By adding bootstrap icons, don't work with hero icons. By adding hero icon library, don't work with font awesome icon library. If you want to work with font awesome, link font awesome in the header, work with them. If you want hero icons, link hero icon library, work with them. You need both hero icon and font awesome. You need both then link both the libraries in the head section and you can link with the libraries. For example, if you want this icon, this is not many icons, and this will give you very less icons. Bootstrap, one of the biggest icon library, font awesome, 30,000. I think this is not having those many icons. This is not having those many icons. Hardly 1,000 icons maybe you will find here. That's all. 1,000 icons only you will find here, and you will never find much. For example, car. I'm searching for car. You getting car icon anywhere here? No, we are not getting a car icon. But anyhow, you want to get this icon, click on this icon. Maybe if you can click on the icon, code is copied and copy JS, especially for React JS. So this is going to be copied. Let us see. And this is the icon code. See how big the icon code. So this is a very big icon code now. I don't want such a big library. Font awesome is very neat and very simple. That's why many of the people they will prefer icon library as font awesome for their website. Many of the people. So don't worry. Try to work with the font awesome only. Don't try to work with any other library. That's not required also. Why? Because 90% of the web is using font awesome. So you have to learn the font awesome. Try to learn them, but it's not a difficult thing. If you know how to work with font awesome, others also will be easy. But in Bootstrap, we will have Bootstrap session also. In Bootstrap, I will show you how to work with the Bootstrap icons. If I am discussing material UI, I will show you how to work with material CSS UI, material icons. If I am discussing Tailwind CSS, there is also third-party library. Tailwind CSS icons also there. So every CSS framework has their own icon library. Right? Why? Because font awesome is not free now. That's why Bootstrap has its own icon library. Bootstrap also doesn't have those many handy. You see, if we can go for this Bootstrap icons. Go for the Bootstrap icons. How many icons are there here? Not those many icons like HTML and or I will see these are the icons, Bootstrap icons. So for example, you want to search for car. Am I getting car? Car means I'm getting different symbol, or else DOLL, yeah, dollar. Yeah, we are getting dollar symbol. If you want to get this icon, click on this. If you can click on this, they will show you the icon code. Can you see in the left side or right side? You see, this is the icon code. Copy the icon code and you can paste here. See the difference. This is what the class BI currency. If it is a font awesome, same thing they are taking font awesome also. But in font awesome, what are we having here? FA currency. This is what the representation. Otherwise, if Bootstrap also using FA, that's not correct now. That's why Bootstrap icon BI, font awesome icon FA. Maybe hero icons are going to be with some different naming convention. So every icon library will use the different, but they are both are using itag. Both are using itag. Font awesome using itag, and this is also using itag. Okay, now check it carefully, guys. This is the way of representing the icons, different icon libraries. If you want to work with Bootstrap icon library, don't worry. We will discuss about these icon libraries in Bootstrap itself. Anyhow, we have a session Bootstrap. At the time, I will discuss you how to work with Bootstrap. Same for this also, you will find the CDN at the bottom of this. If you can go, you will find the CDN link. Can you see the CDN link here for the Bootstrap? Where is this? maybe top wiki. So definitely you will find this. Maybe yeah, this is the link. Can you see Bootstrap CDN link is under CDN? CDN. Click on the CDN, and if you can come there, you can add the CDN here. Right now, if you can run this file, Bootstrap BI currency symbol also will work. Let me do quickly. I'm saving this file, bi.html. Don't worry, you can save without header, without footer, body. We can save the file. It will work. Don't worry. So, but that's not good practice. It will work. But you see, Bootstrap icon is coming now. Dollar symbol is coming there. Right? If I can remove this, can I get this Bootstrap icon? No. But maybe you have a big question. Sir, you are not taking root element HTML. There is no head, no title, no body. And you are writing directly link head. This is a body element. This is head element. Will it work? 100% will work. So, but it is not good way to write. But you see, if you can inspect here, can you see? Go to the elements. Can you see head? Am I writing head section? No. See, inside head section, the link tag is placed in the inside body section, I tag is placed automatically. Who do this job? I'm not writing head, body, title, or anything, but this is coming automatically. How this is coming automatically? Interpreter will take care of this job. Even if you're forgetting, interpreter knows. Link is the part of head section, I is the part of body section that will move the tags automatically to the respective sections. Interpreter while executing. That's why HTML is a language without errors. Even though if you are writing wrong, and HTML will understand, it will make the things proper while executing the output. Okay, right. So this is how the icons, guys, the way of working with icons will be like this. Don't bother. We will discuss icons in CSS. We will discuss about the icons in my own website creation also. I will introduce icon libraries. I need this icon. I want to get this icon. How do I create the icons? This type of we will discuss. Don't worry about it. So, but only thing right now, if possible, you try to practice with HTML entities only. HTML entities. If you have time, you can try to practice font over some icons only. But the only thing, how can I add font over some icons to my website? Font over some is a third party. Bootstrap is a third party. They are not the part of HTML. So they are third party means what? They will provide a library. That library, this is the CSS library. This CSS library, we have to link into our head section. After that, which icon you need, go to the icon, click on the icon. If you can click on the icon, they will give the code. Copy the code, paste the code wherever you want. Copy the code, paste the code wherever you want. This is the technique of working with the icons, third-party icons. Still, we will work with the icons. Don't worry about it. Okay. And CSS also will touch with these icons. Definitely. Okay. Done. So this is all about the icon libraries. Okay. And HTML entities and HTML special characters. And tomorrow, don't miss the session. Tomorrow, I want to discuss about the structure of a web page. How to create the structure of a web page. What is a structure? I will show you two practical. Even though if you are not understanding by tomorrow, in CSS also we'll discuss about the structure. Why? Because while designing, I need this design. I need the design. How to take the structure for this design? Structure for the design, again, I have to explain that. But tomorrow is a session which is very important. It will give you an overview of the elements. Many of the people will have doubt. While creating structure, I have to use diva, sectiona, articla, aside. A lot of elements are there. Which element should be used where? What is the purpose of those elements? How to create the structure? On what basis you will going to create the structure? This is all we are going to see in tomorrow's session. Okay, now? Please don't miss this session. Even if you're missing the session, please watch the video after the session completed. Recorded video, please watch it. Why? Because in entire HTML, why HTML? To create the structure. If you don't know how to create the structure, what is the purpose of learning HTML then? So that is the main concept of HTML structure tomorrow. This is the last session of HTML. Maybe if I missed some elements, I will discuss those elements tomorrow. Don't worry. After structure completed, I will discuss the remaining elements. Maybe I missed a lot of elements. I know that, but they're all not required. Don't worry about it. If you want, you can learn them. No problem. But I want to discuss some more elements tomorrow. First 1 hour is about completely structure. After that completed, I will discuss the pending elements. At least some elements which are important. Sometimes we forget. We'll discuss those elements. That's all. Tomorrow we'll finish the HTML. Monday we are going to enter into CSS. Okay, now why HTML finally? HTML is used to create the structure of a web page. How can I design the structure of a web page? By using
Semantic website.
So HTML is a structure, CSS is a designer. HTML is a collection of bricks, CSS is a cement and paint and colors and everything is CSS. CSS is the beautification, HTML is the structure. By using HTML, we can have a plan. The plan I want to design by using the thing. Okay, if there is no HTML, can we imagine CSS? No way. It's look like I'm buying 10 liters of paint to paint the wall. First of all, there is no wall. What is the purpose of buying 10 liters of paint? I mean, if there is a wall, then we can paint. How to construct the wall? By using HTML. If there is no HTML, how do I construct the wall? No. Right. This is all look like this. Okay. Let's continue tomorrow. Right. Don't miss the tomorrow session. We will discuss about the structure of a web page. How to create the structure. I will show you too much practical. Right. You
Sir,
will
assignments form sent to
Yeah.
your mail ID, sir. Can you
Okay, I will
please
look
check?
into it. Yeah, definitely. We will see. Somebody sent assignment. Okay, let me stop the recording anyhow. So we will see you the same in tomorrow. Right. I will look into your assignment also. Give me 1 second.